Melt some butter and mix into the rice in a hot skillet. Make sure the rice is well coated and simmer for 10 minutes. This is arborio rice, by the way, short grain rice. You add some stock and get it to simmer. While the rice is simmering, beat the eggs and mix in the herbs, grated cheese, and breadcrumbs. This is where all the flavor is, so be sure you mix everything all together. Now add more water to get the rice creamy. This might take another 30 minutes. Season it at the end. When you plate it, I say put it in a bowl of a contrasting color. You don't want a beige on white scenario, so I'm using this nice shiny black bowl, then throwing in some peas and parsley for crunch and aroma, and a bit of cheese because we're being decadent today. What do you think?